If you want to create your own app, then this video
Go
is
to
for you.
jotfrom.com. Select Template. It will show you templates that can help you create your own app. I choose a beauty template. Like this. You can edit these icons from the right side of the icon. Copy the link and open it on New tab. And it will show your app. Follow me for more.